Well, so here's the deal, and I'll put up a picture. There was so much water in my hydraulic fluid that it gelled up and would not work in about 15, 20 degree weather. So yeah, let's fix that. Just look at the color of this. It looks like primer. So I'm gonna drop the mast and see if that pushes any fluid out. I don't know if it will. Oh, yeah. Okay, well, I got a few gallons of used hydraulic fluid. We're gonna dump in there, fire it up. I'm gonna cycle the steering and hydraulics and see if I can just get a little bit more of this old crap out before we refill it. So what I'm gonna do now, I got the good used fluid in there. I'm gonna start it, get a little bit left out of it, and then I'm gonna go pick up 2 hydraulic filters. One I will put back on now and just run it because I need to use the forklift, and then I'll pick up another 10 gallons of good stuff and use the other new filter for that. So let's fire it up and see if we can get that kind of yellow orange fluid coming through it. So it's dark out and this thing's a mess. Ran to Napa, got myself a new filter, so I'm gonna throw that in, and 5 gallons of SAE 10 weight, and fire back up. Well, I'll fire it up real quick and get some fluid circulating and probably call it a night because it is dark out. Well, now it's dark out, so maybe tomorrow I will take some video of actually using the forklift, moving some stuff around. So anyways, thanks for being here. Like and subscribe. You'll get some new videos whenever I get around to it. See ya.